What happened that made you realize my teacher has no idea what they are teaching? In high school, my chemistry teacher had no idea what she was talking about. My mom, who had a PhD in inorganic chemistry, noticed right away. Every night, she'd reteach me the material correctly. My classmates caught on that I wasn't writing anything down and asked why. I told them. Soon, they started meeting me before class so I could show them my mom's notes. 3 days in, the teacher walked in early and found us. She demanded to know what we were doing. I, being a little too bold, said, "If you don't know chemistry, my mom can teach you." She lost it. Next thing I knew, I was in the principal's office facing a 5-day suspension for causing a disruption. They called my mom to pick me up. When she arrived, she already looked annoyed. The principal dramatically claimed I'd been screaming, intimidating the teacher, and ruining the class. Mom asked for the teacher to come in so I could apologize. That's when things fell apart. Their stories didn't match. Mom turned to me and asked for my side. I admitted we were in the classroom when we shouldn't have been, but only so I could teach the class real chemistry. The teacher ranted about me corrupting my classmates. Mom stayed calm, flipped through my notes, and said, "Looks right to me." The teacher scoffed, asking how she'd know. That's when Mom dropped it. She had a PhD, worked for ESO, taught at Rutgers, and was now a professor. The teacher went silent and walked out. I still got a 2-day suspension, but by the end of the year, she was